0 to Professional English Course, a creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role play 29. Discussion about picnic.
Bushra and her family want to go for a picnic. Her father informs her about this. Discussion between them goes as follows.
Bushra, on Sunday we will go for a picnic.
Wow, Daddy, I am so happy. Which Sunday will we go, Abul?
Next Sunday, my dear.
Where will we go, Father?
Do not know as of now, but maybe we will go to the museum.
Okay, Father.
All right, get ready and I'll call the tourist office and get the information.
Okay, Father.
Father dials the number and calls an office. The office man receives the call and the discussion goes as follows.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, sir, I'm fine. Thank you for calling. Let me know what may I do for you.
We want to go for a picnic this Sunday. Can you please tell me what the main tourist places here are in this locality?
Yes, sir. There are many places like Jamia Masjid, Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Lotus Temple, India Gate, etc. You may go anywhere.
Okay. Do you provide an Urdu guide?
Yes, sir, we provide an Urdu guide.
Well, does your company also provide a cab? Actually, my whole family will be with me. That is why I want to rent a car.
Yes, sir, we also provide a cab for transportation. First, tell us what places in this city you want to go to.
We want to go to the Jamia Masjid and the Red Fort, and then the Science Museum.
Okay, sir, I'll book a cab for you. Your tour will start at 9 a.m., so be ready on time.
Okay, fine. Can you tell me the distance between Lal Kila and Jamia Masjid?
Not much, sir, only 500 meters.
Okay, and the Science Museum?
The Science Museum is far away from here.
So, does this Science Museum also open on Sunday?
Yes, Science Museum also opens on Sunday.
Well, is entry free there or will we have to buy a ticket?
No, sir. Entry is free there for students only. If you want to go, you will have to buy a ticket.
Well, tell me one more thing. Is it allowed to take pictures inside the Science Museum?
Sorry, sir. I don't know well about it. Please get the information on the counter when you reach there.
Okay. And when does the museum close?
It closes at 5 p.m.
Okay. Send the cab for us on time. We will be ready.
For sure, sir.
Bushra and her family start their picnic.
Wow, Jamia Masjid is really so beautiful.
Yes, it is really so beautiful.
Father, I want to climb the minaret. Is it permitted?
No, it is not allowed nowadays.
Okay, no problem.
See how marvelous the design of the gate is.
Yes, Father, it is really so marvelous.
Hey, Bushra, what happened? You are not walking properly. Are you feeling tired?
Yes, Father, a little bit.
Well, no problem. Let's take some rest.
Okay, Father.
For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs or modals, some additional structure of English sentences, 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect, 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding, 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.